right, in national news tonight, a volatile day on Wall Street. Stocks dropping more than 600 points by the close of the day. The trade war between the U.S. and China, well, that's becoming increasingly hostile with no compromise in sight. Lauren Blanchard in Washington with more.
China warned the U.S. there would be countermeasures if President Trump went ahead with tariff hikes. Well, those increases went into effect last week, and today China hit the U.S. with their own set of tariffs.
China announcing $60 billion in penalties on thousands of U.S. products from batteries to coffee, set to take effect on June 1st.
Raising tariffs will not solve any problems. China will never surrender to external pressure.
The Chinese imposed tariffs will range from 5 to 25%. It's retaliation after President Trump hiked tariffs on $200 billion of Chinese goods.
We're in a very good position.
The president saying China backed out of a deal at the last minute, calling it unacceptable, while the Chinese called that accusation irresponsible.
We have the right to do another $325 billion at 25% in additional tariffs.
The trade war between two of the world's largest economies causing the stock market to tumble.
We will suffer from the short-term damage done by these trade barriers, but they will too.
Senate Finance Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley warning President Trump the ongoing trade war will hurt both countries, adding, Americans understand the need to hold China accountable, but they also need to know that the administration understands the economic pain they would feel in a prolonged trade war.
The president confirmed he'll be meeting with Chinese President Xi at the G20 summit at the end of June, saying he thinks the meeting will be fruitful. But at this point, there are no concrete plans for the two countries to meet between now and then. In Washington, Lauren Blanchard, Fox News.